Hello, I'm Morris Freedman, Head of Neurology at Baycrest Health Sciences in Toronto, Canada, and a Professor, Division of Neurology, Department of Medicine, University of Toronto. I'm also a scientist at the Rotman Research Institute at Baycrest. My BIAL grant project, number 210/18, involved research on psi and was published in Cortex in March 2024. The title of the paper is Enhanced Mind-Matter Interactions Following RTMS-Induced Frontal Lobe Inhibition. My co-authors are Malcolm Binns, Jed Meltzer, Rohila Hashimi, and Robert Chen. A major barrier to the acceptance of psi is that the effects are small and hard to replicate. To address this issue, we developed a novel neurobiological model to study psi based on the concept that the brain may act as a filter to inhibit this controversial phenomenon. Our previous research in individuals with frontal lobe brain damage suggested that this filter included the left medial middle frontal brain region. Since our previous findings were based on only 2 individuals with frontal brain damage, we adopted a new approach to help determine whether the left medial middle frontal region acts as a psi inhibitory filter. This was the use of repetitive transcranial magnetic stimulation, RTMS, to induce reversible brain lesions in healthy participants. This approach made it feasible to test a relatively large number of participants. The experimental measure of psi involved the type of mind-matter interactions known as micropsychokinesis. The methodology involved asking participants to influence the output of a random number generator translated into movement of an arrow on a computer screen to the right or left. We studied 3 groups of participants, one with RTMS-induced lesions in the left medial middle frontal region, a second group with RTMS lesions in the right medial middle frontal region, and a group who received sham RTMS that did not produce any lesions. As predicted, we found a significant psi effect following RTMS inhibition of the left medial middle frontal region. I should add that this effect was found using a post hoc weighting procedure aligned with our overarching hypothesis. Our results represent the 4th time that our research findings showed evidence that the left medial middle frontal region of the brain acts as a filter to inhibit psi. Our findings also suggest that individuals with reversible RTMS-induced frontal lesions in the left medial middle frontal area may comprise an enriched sample for more reliable detection and replication of psi effects. Studies with a focus on this group may significantly advance research in psi and may help bring this controversial field into the realm of mainstream science. My colleagues and I are extremely grateful to the BIAL Foundation for supporting our work. If I were to define the BIAL Foundation in a word, it would be courageous, because supporting research into the highly controversial area of psi significantly challenges the mainstream view of science and how the world works. Thank you.